First part on the radio, VRB keep left side position, pump off totally position. So connect the battery here. 3S battery connected. After DDD sound signal connected, then it can start operating. So first the light, SWF, also rear side arm, SWH, warning light, changing mode, and start the sound, SWE, started, driving, forward, backward. So mix control off. Now your operating pump now starting. Mix control on. Steering. So this one is with control curve is already set up. So let's go. So mix control on, arm, up, down. Bucket curtain, open bucket, close. Now this one SWB always forward, yeah, now it's driving forward mode. Okay, slowly go back. So we'll see again. Test another one. So pump off position, this one shifting to rear side, SWB pushing backward. Before you shifting, this one forward should be all secured to put it down because they have combination working. So close the bucket, put it down, and pump off position, make sure, yeah, then switching to back side. Seat turning to back side. If not turning, maybe a little bit stuck, you only push a little by hand, finger, push the seat a little bit, turn around. So after turning around, check here, we have the lock. Here, this one, unlock it, SWC, unlock it, and swing around. Now this one is for swing. The legs, put it down first. This is for sliding left and right, sliding, it's moving. Now we're sliding this side and start operation. First is the big arm, front arm reaching out, bucket. So bucket, J1, front arm J3. Now it's a slow motion because I set up control curve, and big arm J2. At this mode, if you want to control more better, start the pump at the slow idle speed, then more smoothly control. Still need to close a little bit for the big arm a little bit fast. I think that's all the moving. And other functions, stop the pump. So for secure it, first take back the bucket, and then slowly take it back. Secure it, swing it back. Start the pump, raising the arm all the way to top. Here you can lock it. Now it's locked. Stop the pump. So it's secured. Put back the legs and switch back. Pump off position, must be off position. Switching back to forward loop. Okay, already turning forward. Now it's operating driver. That's all the function.